Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I am super pumped to be filming this one for you because I am sharing a recipe that warms the heart, pleases the tummy, and might even lead to a few happy tears. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make French toast, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is make the whipped cream. I've already shown you how I make my whipped cream in my hot chocolate video, so I'm going to leave that in the description down below. But I'm just going to quickly walk you through it in this video as well. So I've got 3/4 of a cup of 35% whipping cream in here. To this I am going to be adding half a teaspoon of granulated sugar. The last ingredient going in here is going to be a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, there we are. And we're ready to whip. Okay, so now that this is done, we're just gonna leave it in the refrigerator while we do the rest. All right, so the next step is going to be creating a liquid mixture for the French toast. We're gonna crack in 3 eggs. Then we're gonna add in half a teaspoon of granulated sugar and some cinnamon. So cinnamon is just to taste. In this, I personally like the cinnamon flavor to be prominent, so I'm going to add in quite a bit. And we're going to whisk. And then when it kind of looks something like this, you want to add in the last bit, which is about 1/4 cup of milk. And give it another whisk. Right, and this is what it should look like. We're going to turn the stove on high heat, and we're going to wait for it to sort of warm up. So now that you have this mixture ready, the next thing you're going to need is a few slices of bread. Personally, I like to use like a brioche sliced bread. You can use any sliced bread that you have. And then just dip it in like that, give it a little bit of a pat, and then flip it over. Dip it in, allow it to sit for a few seconds, give it one more flip, and then one last flip. I'm going to set this aside. Okay, so my pan's getting pretty hot. What I'm just going to do is take a stick of butter and glaze the pan with it. And then we're going to plop it on right here. And we're going to do the same with the other slices. And one last. And at this point, we're going to turn the stove's heat down to about medium, not too high. And we're going to allow the bread slices to thoroughly cook. Just giving these a little bit of a check to see how far the slices have cooked. This one might be ready for a flip. So while the second side of the bread is cooking, I'm just going to prep my plate. I've got a little bit of strawberry jam here. Just going to brush it across. grate in a little bit of dark chocolate. Okay, so we're just gonna add the French toast on here. So after each slice, I like to add in a little bit of maple syrup. Drizzle. Another slice. Syrup. And our last slice. Okay, I'm just gonna grab the whipped cream. And some more whipped cream. Plop that on. And then to garnish, I'm going to be adding some blueberries. And some strawberries. And there you have it. A breakfast or brunch or lunch or dinner recipe that will warm your heart and please your belly.